Hi, my name is Jan Eric C. Cuevas from Section 29. Criminal investigation is generally considered both an art and science as it encompasses scientific methods grounded in scientific principles as well in attitude, skills, and experience-based judgment. In science aspects, we have a forensic science. Investigation utilizes scientific techniques such as DNA analysis, fingerprinting, ballistics, and toxicology to gather and interpret evidence. These methods are based on empirical data, reliability, and scientific validation. For example, DNA fingerprinting has a high degree of reliability. It is widely accepted as a scientific evidence in court. Criminal science analysis, the scientific collection, documentation, and analysis of physical evidence follow scientific protocols to ensure integrity and accuracy. In behavioral science, polling and behavioral analysis involve psychological theories and scientific research to understand criminal motives and patterns. On the other hand, in the art aspects, we have the unitation and experience. Experienced investigators often rely on institution, pattern recognition, and non-choose judgment to interpret ambiguous evidence or to purpose promising leads, which cannot always be confined scientifically. Interviewing and integration. The skill used to read body language, build report, and detect deception involved psychological insight and interpersonal skill, elements of an art form. And last but not the least, the problem solving. Investigator often face complex, unique case requiring creative and flexible approaches which involve artistic elements. In conclusion, the criminal investigation is a higher discipline. Its scientific components provide objectivity, reliability, and validation, while as artistic components involve institution experience and judgment critical to solving cases that do not follow a straightforward pattern.